In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can record slow motion videos on Sony and Canon cameras, as well as how you can achieve that smooth slow motion effect on Final Cut Pro. It's a super simple process of changing your frame rate when you're filming. And yeah, follow along with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to change the settings in both Canon and Sony cameras, as well as how you can make the slow motion smooth on Final Cut Pro. Okay, so here I am at my little desk thing. And if you guys have a Canon camera, then this is for you. So the very first thing that you have to make sure is that you're in the video mode. So if you guys see right there, I'm in the movie mode. So if you're on any other mode like the automatic or the shutter priority, then you're gonna wanna change it to this icon right here. Once you do that, then you're gonna want to access the menu. So from here, you just have to press on this button right here where it says menu. And from here, it's gonna give you a bunch of different options. But from here, you just have to press on movie recording quality. And once you click on that, then you're gonna see the option for movie recording size and also the high frame rate. Now from here, you could just click on the movie recording size. And from here, you have a bunch of different options. So you have the 4K 24 frames, FHD 59, so 60 frames. You have the FHD 30 frames, and then you also have where I'm at right now. So I'm on the FHD 23 frames, and then you also have the HD 60 frames. So if you're filming just like normal talking head videos, things that you don't need to be put in slow motion, then you could film this at, just 24 frames. But if you're gonna be slowing things down, if you're gonna be shooting things like B-roll, then you're gonna wanna change it to 60 frames. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that, click OK. And once I go back to filming, then you guys are gonna see that it actually films a lot smoother than it would on 24 frames. Now, while you're filming your B-roll, you wanna keep it as stable as possible. So right here when I'm filming, I'm not gonna be like just moving things around like this. I'm gonna try to get it as smooth as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot an example clip for you guys to see. And basically you just wanna take small little clips, and I'm also gonna do one where I'm zooming out. Okay, so here I am with the Sony camera, and if I wanna access the menu, then I'm just gonna go ahead and locate the button that says menu. If your Sony camera has a different layout, then it might be somewhere over here, but for my camera, it's gonna be right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on that. And from here, you're gonna have the menu pop up. So you're gonna want to go to image quality. And from here, you can go into movie settings. And so it's gonna give you a pop-up that says it's a basic setting for movie shooting. So you can press OK. And from here, you could choose your recording frame rate. So you guys can see that it's set to 24 frames right now. And like I said, if you wanna shoot in slow motion, any B-roll or anything like that, then you're gonna wanna shoot on 60 frames. And from there, you can go ahead and record whatever you need to record. And yeah, once you put it into your Final Cut Pro, you can edit the video so that it's smooth. Okay, so here I am back at my desk, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create a test slow-mo event on my Final Cut Pro. You wanna make sure that your video format is correct. So I shot mine at 1080p, and then you also wanna make sure that the rate is at 24 frames, because that's what you shoot all of your normal footage at. If you shoot your normal footage at 30 frames, then you just choose this one, 29.97. And from there, I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. From there, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the event. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the project. And from there, I'm gonna go into my files and then insert the clip that I took onto my timeline. If you guys want to slow down your clip, then you just have to click on this timer icon right here. And from here, you can go to slow, fast, normal. You can go to custom as well. But right here where it says automatic speed, that's what you're gonna wanna choose most of the time. And it's gonna put your video at 40% speed. And basically what that does is it creates that smooth slow motion effect. So I'm gonna just play this right here, and you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about when I say that it's smooth. So here's the example of what I'm talking about. Now, another great way that you can get slow motion B-roll is by actually using a website like Motion Array, where they have a ton of different stock footage, and they also have audio and presets for you guys to use. It doesn't matter if you're on Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. They have a ton of different things that you guys can use. But for this video, we're obviously talking about slow motion B-roll. So, you can see right here, they have a ton of different things like business, nature, and you can customize through all these different filters to find some really, really nice B-roll. And most of the time they're in 60 frames or in slow motion already. So you can just go ahead and download it and plop it onto your timeline and go ahead and go from there. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, go ahead and give it a try on your own. And also feel free to reference this video whenever you want to so that you can follow along with your own camera. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Here at StartupWise, we make a ton of tutorials dedicated to helping new entrepreneurs and content creators take their business to the next level. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.